So good morning, students. So let us start the session. In today's class, we are going to discuss about path instrumentation. So what is path? So what is a path? A path through a program is a sequence of statements that start an entry, junction, or decision and ends at another junction, decision, or exit. So what it means? So path instrumentation. In this, what is a path means? A path is through a program is a sequence of statements. So path is nothing but, so these are a sequence of statements that starts at an entry, and sometimes it may be a junction. Junction is nothing but more than one flow. Or decision, that means this may be a decision also, and ends at another junction or decision or exit also. Okay, that means this may be a decision and ends at another junction, and maybe it was a exit. That means a path is nothing but, for example, this is the path. So let us assume this is a path. So this is the true and false. A path is nothing but a path through a program is a sequence of statements. All these are the sequence of statements that starts at entry or junction or any decision and ends at another junction, decision, or exit. For example, this is the A, B, C. So this is the D, E, F, G. Now, so what is the path for A, B, C, D, E, Z, D, E, Z? Now the path is like this. Here the false, and this is the G. So this is the entry point and this is the exit. So what is the path for C, D, F, C, D, F? So this is the C. If it is true, then it is the F. Okay, this is another path. So simply saying, what is a path means? A path through a program is a sequence of statements that start at an entry, junction, or decision and ends at another junction or decision or exit. Okay, so now, so what is a path instrumentation? Path instrumentation. So instrumentation is nothing but we have to check. So for example, you are going to take one example. Okay, before going that, we discuss about these terminologies. So output of a test. So output of a test is nothing but results observed, but there may not be an expected output for a test. And outcome. So what is outcome means? Any change or the lack of change at the output. Expected outcome. An expected change or the lack of change at the output. So actual outcome, observed outcome. So these are the terminologies. So output of a function. So output of a test. Outcome. Expected outcome and actual outcome. So path instrumentation is nothing but the path instrumentation is what we have to do to confirm that the output was achieved by the intended path. The output is achieved by intended path or not. We are called as a path instrumentation. So what is a path? So for example, here, so y equals to 2. So this is the result, y equals to 2. So now the path instrumentation is what we have to do to confirm that the outcome was achieved by the intended path. Here y equals to 0. So that is the indent, that is a expected outcome. So now the path instrumentation, just wait. So path instrumentation is what we have to do to confirm that the outcome was achieved by the intended path. Okay. So it is a path instrumentation. So path instrumentation is what we have to do confirm that the outcome was achieved by the intended path. So for example, just wait. So for example, here the outcome was y equals to 2. But so how we can get the y equals to 2? So we can achieve this outcome in many ways. So y equals to x minus 14. So if I am taking the x equals to 16, so y equals to 16 minus 14, then also y equals to 2. So directly I assign the value 2 to variable y, and so y equals to 16 mod 14. So then also the value of y equals to 2. Okay, now so what is the path instrumentation? Path instrumentation is nothing but how you can confirm that outcome was achieved by the some intended path. So my intention is I'm going to perform this, so x mod 14. So then only if the y value equals to 2, that is my intended path. So how we can confirms that? Means by using path instrumentation. So path instrumentation is what we have to do to confirm that the outcome was achieved by a intended path. Okay. And coincidental correctness, when expected and actual outcomes matches. The expected and outcome matches, the necessary conditions for test to pass are met, and conditions met are probably not sufficient. The coincidental correctness stands for achieving the desired outcome from wrong reason. So for example, the achievable outcome is y equals to 2, and directly you are going to assign y equals to 2 at the end of the program. So that is so coincidental correctness. That means coincidentally the expected outcome and actual outcomes are same. So for example, I am giving that a program for to print a triangle like this by using for loops. Some students are so directly write this printf as a program. So printf asterisk printf slash asterisk slash t asterisk. Then also we get the correct output only, but we can check the path that we are called as a path instrumentation. So coincidental correctness is nothing but the actual output is same as expected output. Okay, that means the coincidental correctness is nothing but the coincidental correctness stands for achieving the desired outcome from wrong reason. If you get the expected output from the wrong reason, then we can call that as a coincidental correctness. So anyone please give the response in the chat box. So what is path instrumentation? What is path instrumentation? So path instrumentation is what? We have to confirm that the outcome was achieved by intended path. path instrumentation methods. The general strategy. Second one is traversal or link makers. General strategy was based on interpreted tracing and use interpreting trace program. A trace confirms the expected outcome is or is not obtained along the intended path. So computed trace may be too massive, hand tracing may be simpler. So traversal or link makers, say simple and effective, and name every link, instrument the link so that the link is recorded when it is executed during the test. The succession of letters from a routine's entry to exit corresponds to the path name. So now we see the single link maker instrumentation example. In this, the sample path is IJN. So this is the IJN. Okay. So this is the IJN. So this is the path. Here ABC, if A equals to 7, then the flow is transmit to this B. So B equals to the character A, then you are going to transmit to this N. Now you can check, is there any other paths to achieve this outcome? IJN. So this we are called as a single link maker instrumentation. So that means you are checking that are you achieving this path? This is the how the outcome is achieved by independent path or not. Next one, single link maker instrumentation not good enough. The same here I. So this is the J. In this process M, if it is I, you are going to K, I, K, here the N. If this condition is false, then you are going to this N. The problem is the processing in the links may be chewed open by bugs. If there is any bugs, so possibly due to go to statements. If somebody write there's a go to the N is nothing but here you think like as it's a label. Okay, so this is a path. Now by using the due to go to statements, the control takes a different path at resulting in the independent path again. Okay, so that's why the go to is not available in many programming languages. Next one, so double link marker instrumentation. So just wait. Okay, so double link marker instrumentation. Here, two links markers specifies the path name and both beginning and end of the link. Here, the two links marker specifies the path name and both the beginning and end of the link. The first one,